Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I will be introduce you the best way to flash your OS on your new Raspberry Pi. Why I say it is the best way? Because this is the easiest way to flash your OS and easiest way to connect your Raspberry Pi to your local Wi-Fi. Because traditionally you need to use monitor or keyboard or use the Ethernet cable to connect to your computer to get the network. But if you use the new software called Raspberry Pi Imager, you can skip that tedious process and you can connect your Wi-Fi through this software. Let's see how it works. You can download for your Windows computer. Here you can choose the operating system you want to install on your Raspberry Pi. I already choose the full version with desktop. And you need to plug in your SD card that will plug in into your Raspberry Pi. You can see I have this 64GB SD card. Now very important, hit the keyboard Ctrl, Shift and X. Here you need to click Enable SSH, so later you can connect to your Raspberry Pi via SSH. You scroll down. Here you can also set the password for your Raspberry Pi. Okay, I will set mine. Scroll down. Here you can easily configure your Wi-Fi. I don't know why it's already configured. Maybe my computer is already using this Wi-Fi, so leave it as it. Wi-Fi country. Currently I stay in Singapore, so I choose SG. And other settings you can leave as it. You click Save. Now this software will automatically create some files on your SD card to connect your Wi-Fi. Now you need to click Write to flash your OS on your SD card. And this will erase all data on the SD card. Let's wait for several minutes or maybe 10 minutes. 99%. Yes, it's ready. Now you can unplug your SD card. Let's power on our Raspberry Pi. By the way, the SD card is already plugged in. Now we can see the green light is flashing. It means the SD card is working. Let's wait for several minutes. Let's back on our computer. Let's open an app called Putty. We need to type here is Raspberry Pi.local and hit open. If you see this pop-up, it means you are successful. You click accept and log in as Pi and type the password just now you set and hit enter. Okay, congratulations guys. Now you are in your Raspberry Pi. What now we need to do is to do some configuration on your Raspberry Pi. To do that, you can type sudo raspi-config. There are so many options you can set, but if you want to see your desktop, you can open the VNC. You hit down the right key and hit enter, and hit left key to select yes and hit enter. Now VNC is enabled. Now you can hit on finish. You can also check the IP address of your Raspberry Pi by typing ifconfig. The IP address of your Raspberry Pi is 192.168.18.61 here. Now you can do whatever you want to do with your Raspberry Pi. Now we can open real VNC app, VNC. You have to install that, of course. And type in the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 192.168.18.61. Hit enter. Hit continue and type the username and password again. You can remember your password. Hit on OK. Congratulations guys, now you are in your Raspberry Pi desktop. So in conclusion, today I introduce you the Raspberry Pi Imager, which is very easy to use and reduce a lot of trouble than the traditional methods. Please do have a try guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.